everybody. This is Rev Wilson, the direct mail expert with the Mail Money Secrets. This is it right here, folks. The Mail Money Secrets. Right here, and right in front of you right here. Folks, you can see how $100 started a $20,000 explosion in just 6 days. Yes, in just 6 days. Folks, this is incredible. And if you can mail a postcard promoting the Mail Money Secrets, folks, this is the actual physical product that you receive when you become an affiliate with the Mail Money Secrets. How to make millions in direct mail marketing. This is the physical product. This is the book that everyone in direct mail needs. By reading and implementing what you learn in this book, your entire life is going to change. This book contains the knowledge of testing, failing, and then winning in direct mail marketing. The secrets of direct mail marketing are in this easy to read book. Folks, this is the book that you need. But not only that, if you can mail this simple postcard right here, the Mail Money Secret postcard, which is 100% automated, 100% proprietary, 100% cash payments, 100% honest and truthful, no computer required, no selling required, no setup required, no fulfillment required. And you can listen to this recorded hotline that explains everything. And guess what? It's only $100, folks, to get started. It's only $100 to get started. Lifetime membership, one-time payment of $100 cash to register. And folks, you will receive a postcard just like this with your information on it right here, no one else's. So guess what? All the $100 cash payments come straight to you. Now, I'm doing something very crazy. This is a one-time, there's no residual income here. But what I want to do for you to get you up and running fast and receiving these $100 cash payments fast, I'm going to mail 500 postcards for you as a bonus. But you got to get in now. This is a limited time offer, and you got to get in now. Once you get your Mail Money Secrets package, you can get started immediately with no computer and absolutely no selling. Folks, this postcard does all the selling, telling for you. You don't even have to have your phone number on the postcard if you don't want to, because your prospects are going to call the recorded hotline right here, 267-833-0592. That is the recorded hotline right there. And folks, this system is so powerful, you're going to get a startup kit just like this right here. This is what you're going to receive in the mail here. Here is the starter package right here. Here's the starter package right here. Everything you need to know is in this package, and this is the actual book that you receive, Mail Order Secret, packed with information. Look at that, packed with information, folks, of how you can make millions in direct mail. Can you invest $100 into yourself to get the knowledge right here, and then also be able to make $100 for getting this information in others' hands? Folks, this is absolutely incredible. And there's also back end money that you can make as well, from $1,000 up to $9,000 on the back end. Folks, this is a lifetime membership, not a monthly fee, no admin fee. Folks, this is absolutely incredible. If you can put a stamp right here and put a lead right here and mail this postcard, mail 20 a day, folks, the sky is the limit to what you can make. Mail Money Secrets, 100% automated system. Folks, this is powerful. Folks, we have helped so many others in direct mail. We can help you. I want to take a little second for you to watch and read these testimonials of the people that I have helped, and these same people that I've helped. Folks, I can help you, and I'll be right back. Wow. Did you listen? Did you read those powerful testimonials? Folks, I want to feature you in one of these testimonials. Folks, I'm telling you, we have took $100, and we've created a $20,000 explosion in just 6 days. Folks, this is powerful. This book not only divulges the secrets, but it also makes sense. And it gives you the opportunity to put the author's instructions into immediate action. And that's what we did, folks. Immediately. And our initial result was more than $20,000 in cash. Folks, this is incredible. And you can do the very same thing. Let me ask you this. If for every $100 that is sent to you, you get $90. The other 10 goes to the owner to ship out these books on your behalf. Folks, would that really interest you? Folks, this is easy. And this is the time to take action. This is the time to get involved. We're at September the 2nd. This is the time. Labor Day, folks. After Labor Day, school is in. People are back from vacation. And folks, you can literally make $20,000 before Christmas. Actually, even I would say before Thanksgiving, if you took action right now. Folks, you can get started right now through Cash App. You can just send your $100 affiliate fee to the Cash App in the description of this video. All the instructions are there in the description. Just click on that little description box. It will open up and there will be the instructions for you to get started. And then you just want to text me or call me at 330-949-4259. Let me know your information, your name, address you want on your postcard. Let me know, hey, I just sent my $100 to you through Cash App. Let's get you on board this powerful mail money secrets. Like I said, this is the actual product right here. Mail money secrets. Everybody in direct mail needs this. This has tons of implementable information that you can put into action right now. But also, if you can mail a postcard right here, if you can mail a postcard, you can win. You can win. And guess what? I love it because you don't need a computer. You don't have to have internet. There's no selling. Ain't nothing to set up. You don't even have to fulfill the requirements. You keep $90, you send $10 to the company, and they ship out the marketing kit. They ship out the book. They ship out the Fast Start materials. Everything is done for you. You just mail these postcards and receive your cash. Can you do that? If you can do that, you can win. Go ahead, get signed up. Text me at 330-949-4259. Let me know, hey, I'm on board. I want that bonus. You gotta let me know you want the bonus, okay? This bonus is only for a limited time only. So you need to jump in, take advantage of the 500 postcards that I'm going to mail on your behalf. Take advantage of it, folks, so that you can have a testimony of the hundreds of dollars coming into your mailbox just from mailing this Mail Money Secrets postcard. Folks, I appreciate you. I got to get out of here. I got another video that hasn't uploaded yet that I did this morning, but I've been in the country, so I didn't have phone signal. So you might see that video right after this one, but that is why. All right. Hey, I appreciate each and every one of you. I welcome all of you. Let's see here. Let's see, we got Larry. From Pennsylvania. We got John from Oklahoma. It's okay. It's Oklahoma. I'm gonna say okay, Oklahoma. I want to welcome Jamie from Florida. I want to welcome Teresa from Alabama. I want to welcome y'all to the Mail Money Secrets. Let me welcome you. Go ahead and follow the instructions in the description of this video so I can get your 500 postcards mailed for you on your behalf. And guess what? These postcards will not have my information on it, but it will have your information right here. Your name, your address right here. And you don't have to include your phone number if you don't want to, okay? because your prospect is going to call the recorded hotline 267 833 0592. 267 833 0592. Let me say it again, 267 833 0592. You can screenshot it, call it, and then take action and follow the instructions in the description of the video. And God bless you and welcome to the Mail Money Secrets.